Hi friends! Today we'll show you how to make fluffy slime. To get started, you'll need 100 milliliters of glue, foamy shaving cream. The foam will give your slime the fluffiness we are looking for. Pigment. For this video, we are using purple. Borax Solution. First, pour the glue into a large bowl. Next, add 3 large pumps of the shaving foam. Mix really well. Next, add your color and mix thoroughly. While mixing, add the borax solution, a little at a time, until the slime pulls away from the bowl. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.